In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Steam gift card on Amazon. Whether you're purchasing a gift for a friend, adding funds to your own Steam account, or simply taking advantage of a promotion, buying a Steam gift card is a quick and straightforward process. We'll walk through each step together to make sure you have everything you need to complete your purchase successfully. Let's start by visiting the Amazon website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. If you don't already have an account, you might want to take a moment to set up a free one. Having an Amazon account will streamline the checkout process and allow you to track your purchases more effectively. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, direct your attention to the search bar, typically located at the top of the page. Click on it, type Steam gift card, and press Enter. This search will bring up a variety of options for Steam gift cards that are available for purchase. Browse through these options at your leisure and select the card that best suits your needs. There are usually different denominations to choose from, so pick one that fits your intended budget or gift amount. When you find the gift card you want, click on it to view more details. Here, you might find information about whether the card will be delivered digitally or as a physical card, so make sure you choose the format that suits you or the recipient best. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click the Add to Cart button. This action places the gift card in your virtual shopping cart. Now it's time to proceed to checkout. Navigate to the cart icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the page, and click on it. This will take you to a summary page showing all items currently in your cart. Take a moment to review your selection to ensure you have the correct gift card. Once you're satisfied, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. At checkout, you'll need to provide payment information. Enter your payment details carefully to avoid any issues. Amazon accepts various payment methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. After you've double-checked everything, complete your purchase. Finally, after successfully completing the transaction, you'll receive your Steam gift card. The delivery method will depend on the seller. If it's a physical card, it will be shipped to the address you provided. Alternatively, you might receive a digital code via email. Keep an eye on your inbox or physical mail, depending on the option you chose. And there you have it, a simple guide to buying a Steam gift card on Amazon. I hope this helps you navigate your purchase smoothly. If you enjoyed this guide or found it useful, stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.